Applications of large language models: text generation, text completion and auto-completion. Large language models, LLMs, can generate coherent and contextually relevant text based on a given prompt or input. Text completion involves predicting the next word or sequence of words to complete a sentence or phrase. Auto-completion features in applications like word processors and messaging platforms leverage LLMs to suggest relevant word or phrase completions as users type. Dialogue systems and chatbots. LLMs power conversational agents and chatbots capable of engaging in human-like dialogue. Dialogue systems use context-aware generation to produce responses that maintain coherence and relevance within the conversation. Applications include customer service chatbots, virtual assistants, and interactive storytelling platforms. Creative writing and content generation. LLMs can aid in creative writing tasks such as generating poetry, stories, and song lyrics. Writers and content creators use LLMs to overcome writer's block, explore new ideas, and generate content for various media platforms. Language translation. Neural machine translation. Large language models have significantly advanced the field of machine translation through neural network-based approaches. Neural machine translation (NMT) models, based on LLMs, achieve state-of-the-art performance by capturing complex linguistic patterns and context. Zero-shot and few-shot translation. LLMs enable zero-shot and few-shot translation, where models can translate between language pairs not seen during training or with limited training examples. This capability is particularly valuable for translating between lower-source languages and adapting to new language pairs with minimal supervision. Domain adaptation and specialized translation. LLMs can be fine-tuned for specialized domains such as medical, legal, or technical translation. Domain-specific vocabulary and terminology can be incorporated into the model through fine-tuning, improving translation quality for specific domains. Question answering. Reading comprehension and QA systems. Large language models excel at question answering tasks by understanding and extracting relevant information from text passages. Reading comprehension tasks involve answering questions based on a given passage, while open domain QA systems can provide answers to a wide range of questions using external knowledge sources. Fact verification and knowledge retrieval. LLMs can verify factual claims by extracting and validating information from text sources. Knowledge retrieval systems leverage LLMs to search and retrieve relevant information from large text corpora, databases, and knowledge graphs. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Conversational AI. LLMs power chatbots and virtual assistants capable of engaging in natural and contextually relevant conversations. These AI systems assist users with tasks such as scheduling appointments, providing information, and assisting with customer support queries. Personalization and context awareness. LLM-based chatbots and virtual assistants can personalize interactions based on user preferences, history, and context. They adapt responses and recommendations to the user's language style, preferences, and previous interactions, enhancing user experience and engagement. Applications across industries. Chatbots and virtual assistants find applications across various industries, including e-commerce, healthcare, finance, and education, improving efficiency and accessibility of services.